Hi everyone, we are ready to start our first spelling list for Unit 4 in our Ancient Roman Civilization unit. So what you're going to need is a blank piece of paper. It can be construction paper, it could be notebook paper, a blank piece of copy paper. It doesn't have to be white, it can really be any color. So go ahead, pause the video, get your piece of paper, and come on back. All right. Hopefully you got your piece of paper and we are ready to go. So you're probably wondering, why does Mrs. Gosher, why did she want me to get a blank piece of paper? Just give me my new spelling words. The page in our activity book, there's not enough space on there for you to write your words. So we're going to make our own spelling chart by taking our piece of paper, holding it like this, and you're going to fold it over, line those edges up the best that you can. Okay, so it was like this. We folded it. Now you're going to fold it down or fold it up, whichever way you want to. Now you're going to hold it like this, so the long edge is at the top. We have a rectangle. And now you're going to fold it over again. Okay? And that last fold is the hardest. Yep, if you have construction paper especially, it's getting kind of thick. And then open it up, and you should have 8 boxes. So what I want you to do is take a crayon or a marker and go ahead and trace those fold lines so that you can clearly see where your boxes are. Okay, now I'm going to switch over to that's the first part of the video. I'm going to pause it and I'll be right back to show you on Notability how we're going to do this.